Here is how to enable two-step verification in your Google or the Gmail account. So you need to go ahead and open the Google or your Gmail account on your device. Click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen, and here select Manage your Google account. From the menu that appears, scroll down and find the option of Security and Sign In. Go ahead and select it, and there you'll see the option of two-step verification. Click on it. Go through a verification process to ensure that it's your account, and click on Turn on two-step verification option. Before you enable two-step verification, you have the options like passkeys, Google Prompt, Authenticator app, your phone number which is associated with your Google account, and backup codes to enable two-step verification. In my case, I have selected Google Prompt and phone number. So that's it. This is how you can easily go ahead and enable two-step verification in your Google or your Gmail account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.